What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews, and in this review we have a shower curtain rod. I'm boring, but anyways, there's a lot of boring people out there that want to probably see this review, so here we go. We have a nice new shower curtain rod because the one that I have broke, and we are going to test out this one right here. So this is matte black, seems like nice quality. This part here is rubber boots. Okay. Twist, expand, and it tightens up too. So this is one end, this is the other end. So let's see, instructions. It says measure the distance of the space and clean the wall. Install the curtain rod holder according to the requirements. So this actually gets installed inside of this holder right here, in which you can screw it onto your wall, or they have adhesive. If you're not tool friendly, you don't have no tools, then you can stick it onto your wall. Nice. Now, I don't know how long that will last due to moisture, but you know, I'm a screw type of guy. But remember, when you do that, you have to measure, make sure you're at the right height so your shower curtain won't look like this. So you can have a straight shower curtain, or you could use the laser level, which we reviewed. Okay, so that goes in here and it screws. All right, so if one side don't fit, you just look, it has a little recess on it. All right, the other side is round. This side has recess on it, and it goes in and it screws right into this right here. So that's simple as it gets right there. Same thing with this. You can screw it in, but we have this one to put in first. All right. Nope, wrong side. All right. All right, you guys. So if you have a standard 60-inch shower, if you need more space, you can loosen it and expand this wherever you need to expand it. The other ones I used to have was the old school ones. All right, you guys, I'm going to install this, and then y'all can see this in action. I'll catch y'all in a little bit. We have our mounts right here. So we're gonna put this up. And this is pretty strong too, so it's even hard to get off on here. As a matter of fact, I'm gonna get my laser level. All right, you guys, so I'm going to bring out the laser level that we just reviewed not too long ago. Go with it like that. And I'm going to try to center this as good as possible. This stuff is like a rock, you guys. Man, it's going to be hard to get that off. All right. So you do tighten by twisting this shaft right here. This pipe, this piece of pipe shaft, whatever you want to call it. I don't care. But you loosen it, and then you slide it, bring it up, and now you tighten it with this. Now it don't move nowhere. Now I just want to make sure that it expands and tight. It's not moving now, you guys. Tighten right here, but in order to tighten the whole pole, you have to tighten it right here. You twist here, and then you twist on this one. That way you can lock it in on the inside of right here, and then you lock it in on the inside of right there. All right, you guys, and that's it. Everything is hooked up. Everything looks well. I use the laser level right here. I'll put a link in the description. Actually, I have plenty of laser levels. So I'll put a link in the description to most of them, but this one is a budget-friendly one, you guys. Very budget-friendly. Comes with a tripod, blah, blah, blah. That's the brand. I reviewed it the other day. It's very nice. But that's it. That's all I needed. So if y'all have any other questions, comments, concerns, put it in the comment section, and I'll get back to y'all as soon as possible. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.